Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. My last video didn't have sound, so I thought I'd redo this video. I was like, what in the world? I rewatched it and I'm like, oh my god. So I deleted it and now I'm redoing it. So you probably didn't hear what I was saying with my little haul. I bought these two paper pads. This is the Red and White Christmas Noel. I don't know what that Blanco. No, I don't know what that is. What that is saying, but it's very pretty. It's gray and red and white, and it has a lot of cut aparts, which I really like. And I love the silver. So I got that one, and these pads were $3.59 or something. And I got the plaid, and I love it. Love this plaid paper. I have the 12 by 12. I don't know if it's the same prints, but I have. Oh, this one has gold foiling. It's so pretty. I love plaid. Okay, so I got two of those paper pads. And then I was walking around the store. They didn't really have much on sale, which was kind of very odd to me. And I was talking to some friends, and they were saying, yeah, they haven't been having a lot of anything lately. But when I went there, I came across these in their bins in the front of the store. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get these and make little gingies out of it. And it's a key ring. So how cute is that? So I painted them up with some acrylic paint. First I gessoed them, and then I used some regular, acrylic brown paint and a metallic chocolate paint. Here, let me show you. Let's see if I can find it. This one here. So I used this old paint and then this folk art metallic paint to go over it. And I got this color. And then the white is just, I think it's this white from Target. It's the satin white. Really shows up well on the dark brown paint. I was thinking about adding some glitter to it and see how that turns out, but I wanted to do this video. I added some buttons from my stash, and then I made this bow that's a ribbon from my stash. I painted the face on. I even added some little eyelashes for the girls. So these are so cute. I thought they were adorable. And you could add, a tassel to this. You could add beads to this. I mean, you could do so much to these. So I did two in this one. And then I added two with a scarf. It's more like a boy. And I just added ribbon from my stash to go as a scarf. I thought it was really cute. And I didn't even think I could do the faces, but I did. I painted them. So these are really cute. And they were 4 for 99 cents. I was like, oh my gosh, that is just craziness. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by and watching my videos. Hopefully you can hear me this time. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.